Hello, my friends. This is Miss Mulholland. I teach fourth grade at Mount Holly. I'm back again talking about generalizations. And no, it doesn't have to do with generals. So things we already know. It's a broad statement, a big statement about what a group of people or things have in common. For example, when using what you know and observe, you could say, most people in the United States greet each other with a handshake. That we can prove. There are good and bad, or we could say valid and invalid, true and false. So you could say most people in the United States greet each other because generally speaking, that is true. You should not say all people in the United States because all means everybody, and that's unlikely to be true, and you can't prove it. And right now, most of us use our elbows instead of handshakes. And notice I said most. So clue words: all, always, never, most, many, sometimes, generally. And be careful, because when you use the words like all, no, none, everyone, nobody, always, never, those are leading you to a faulty or invalid or bad generalization. So valid means true. So it's supported by facts. It uses logical reasoning, and it is proven with several examples. Faulty means it's false. It's not valid. It's not supported by facts. It uses keywords like none, all, always, never, everyone, nobody, and just one exception to that fact. Remember, I don't like tacos, so it can only be many. One can make it false. So chocolate is everyone's favorite dessert. Well, what is wrong with that is that not everybody likes chocolate. We could make it into a valid generalization by saying that many people like chocolate for dessert, not necessarily everyone. So remember, we're going to be looking at valid and invalid generalizations for these next two lessons. They make broad statements. Sometimes they're valid, others are faulty. Valid generalizations are supported by facts, examples, logical thinking, and watch out for those words like all or never.